Hello, my friends. So I go by the bank. They tell me they got a bunch of half dollars. I asked. And they said that the bank's policy is you deposit 50-cent coins. If they're silver or whatever, the tellers can't take them. So they have to give them to whoever wants 50-cent pieces. So I asked, how many coins do you have? And they said $15 worth. And at least two of them are 64s is what they said. Now, before I got them in the bag, I noticed there are at least 2 or 3 40% silvers. So we're going to go through this bag and see how lucky I actually got. I mean, because if you can get 50-cent coins at the bank for 50 cents a piece, it's a lot better than having to buy them. Now, I'm going to have a pretty good stack of them because 50-cent coins, that's 30 of them to make that amount. So I'm just going to grab off the top and go through them and then set the non-silver ones aside. 71 is not silver. It's bicentennial. There's a chance to get silver in these 40% ones, but this is not. It's a Denver mint. 73, again, no big deal. It's a lot like coin hunting, coin roll hunting, that is. Now notice the change in the design look, how much flatter the 98 looks compared to this 73. Some modern coins are a little bit flatter than these little bit older ones. 1980, again, not silver. 74, 1980, 1964, the first silver one of the bunch. Mind you, this I got for 50 cents. I gave them $15 and they gave me all the half dollars, so we'll set that one here. Keep moving. Here's the 1982, not silver. 79, not silver. 1981, not silver. So the ones that aren't silver, I'm going to spend in whatever. 84 and 83, again, those aren't silver. And I don't mind having to spend these. I'm sure I can find places to spend them. 82 and an 83, not silver. But I knew a lot of them wouldn't be silver because they said there's only 2 64s in the bunch. So all these first bunch, you can all see the red on the rim. When you see red, that means it's not silver. 78, 78, another bicentennial. I see red. 77, a 68. Well, there's at least one 40% silver one right here. 68 Denver. So that goes there. And then there's a 73. 72. Here's a 67. 40%. It's about $4 a piece. There's a 74 for them. And here's an 84. And then here's a 66. So that's 3. Here's a 69 Denver. So I've got at least 4 40% silvers. Here's the 64, the other 64. And the last coin in the bunch is a 77. Now, I could have done it a lot quicker by just searching the rims. I'll show you what it looks like. I put in a few of them in here. I don't have to resort them again, but you look at the edge, see the red. Get this up here. You can see the red. That one's silver. That's a silver. Red, red. And the last couple of them. Oh, rolling off my finger a little bit. Those are all red. So you can see a couple silvers there and a couple silvers there. So it's easier to do it that way. These two are silver, 66 and 64. And this one's silver. It is a 64. And that one's silver, which is a 69. That's the quickest way to search these when you get them. And so if you go and all you get, they're all red like this, those are not silver coins. But to get 264s, which at melt today is just a little over $10, so that's $20 worth. And these are right around 4 each, and there's 4 of them, so these 40% ones, these are all $4 each. So I felt like I did pretty good, because I can turn around and sell these for around melt and then take the rest of these $50 and spend them. But I felt pretty good about getting it, and the policy at my bank is if somebody brings in $50 and they know some of them are silver and they tell them, hey, these are silver, but that person doesn't care and just deposits them anyway, the next person that comes in and asks for $50 is going to feel like a winner. And these could have been rolled up in a row, but they weren't. But it's the same difference as going, I mean, I've only gotten one rolled up customer roll from the bank before, and they were all copper nickel ones. But I felt pretty happy about getting these. So that's the video about that. And I hope that everyone has a good day, because that was a pretty good day if you ask me. Because that's about $35 worth of silver for taking $15 of $50. Best price you can get on silver's face value. The only other way you can get them is if you go somewhere and buy something and they give you a silver dime or a silver quarter back. I've had that happen too. But hope everyone has a good day, because that's all I got.